with this little story. I'm going to the office. It's a Monday morning. I'm on the freeway in Los Angeles. There is traffic, okay? I want to pre-order my coffee so I can go pick it up and go to my meeting, okay? So I look on my phone for the app to order, but the app is not working. And I'm pissed because I want my coffee, okay? So I'm driving. Oh, I'm mad. I decide to go to the coffee place and enter and go order it. I'm wasting time, but I have no choice. So I go inside and I try to pay with the Starbucks card or the Apple Pay. Do you guys have Apple Pay here?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. I tried to pay with Apple Pay. Guess what? It's not working. I'm pissed. I want my coffee. I'm late. Nothing is working. It's Monday morning. Okay? So what did I do? How did I respond to all of this? Well, now that I know about EQ, I look at the lady and I said, oh my God, I'm having such a bad morning. The app is not working and the Apple Pay is not working. So she looks at me and you know what she said? She called the phone.
The coffee's ready. The coffee's ready.
Exactly. She said, I'm so sorry, ma'am. Coffee is free today for you.
Hey.
Wow! Coffee is not expensive here, but in Los Angeles it's very expensive. Seriously. The girl on the left picture, who was controlled by her emotion, would have not been very nice to the lady. She would have had an attitude. Oh, your app is not working. Your Apple Pay is even not working. Even if she had not done anything, that poor girl, I was mad and the emotion were controlling me, unfortunately. But now, this example has the 4 skills. The first one is I was self-aware. I knew I was mad. The second skill is self-management. How did I respond to this? Well, I explained to that lady that I was having a bad morning. Okay? Now, the social awareness is that lady, she saw how I was feeling. She saw that I was struggling. And the 4th skill, the relationship management, she offered me a free coffee. So there is a 4 skills in one very, very easy example to show you that it can happen every day. Okay? So I just have that last slide about I'm going to jump on the statistics, and I wanted to just show you that there is a test. I did the test, and you see on the right side here, whoops, here, I did the test in September 2014. And this is the orange bar. And I redid it in January 2018. And this is the blue bar. So I was very surprised, guys, because I thought that my score would be higher. Because I'm very aware, and I talk about this all the time, so I thought that was better. It's to show you that it takes a lot of time and energy. One of my strongest right now is self-awareness. You see, I got 91. And the first time I did was 64 or 66. And after that, there is the other one as well. So there's always room for improvement. And I hope that you guys, when you go home, you look at your family and maybe you use those with your kids, your friends, your family, when you go to work as well. And this is the two books that I based this presentation off, especially this one, Emotional Intelligence 2.0. And remember that a person is like an iceberg, so there is always more to it. If they react, it's because something is behind it. It's under the surface. So don't judge. Don't react too fast. Okay? Maybe they're not aware of that, but you are, so they can learn it. So my name is Karine Leblanc. I hope that you're going to become a better leader today because you know how to use emotional intelligence. Thank you so much for having me.